Hi friends, welcome to Launch FXM. So in this video, I will explain you on how to set up your own Forex brokerage setup. So we Launch FXM is a technology provider and we will provide you all the services that are required to run your own Forex brokerage setup like Grey Label, White Label, CRM, website, traders room, back office and all other services that are required to run your own brokerage business. So in this video, I'll explain you everything transparent and clear. So how you can start your own Forex business and how you can proceed further. So Launch FXM, we are a prime broker and we offer Grey Label and White Label services. In case if you need prime broker, that also we can help you with. So let's get started. So in order to run your own Forex brokerage, what are all the parameters that we need to consider? So first, what are the requirements you need to know, and next, how does it works? So how does the entire system works? And next, why you need to choose Launch FXM as a technology provider, and how you can boost your brokerage business. So these are the 4 things we are going to see in this video. So first, let us see what are the requirements. So in order to run your own Forex business, the first main thing is the platform. Platform is a very important tool that to run your own Forex brokerage. So we are providing MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader, you already know in the market, it is one of the best platform and almost all the brokers around the globe use MetaTrader as the platform. So we are providing MetaTrader 5, which is the latest version of MetaTrader. So here we will provide you with white label solution, and MetaTrader is very secure and scalable as well. So it is a high performance trading platform. And we also consider the risk management for you and your clients as well. And next is the back office and integration solutions like CRM, domain, hosting and all the backend works. So these are all the main requirements to run the Forex setup. So this is the MetaTrader architecture. So your entire business comes under this architecture. So here you have main server, access server, trader server, backup server and history server. If you need all these server in one single server, that also we can do, or else we can do separate server. So this is the client side. So client side, they can use trading terminal, mobile terminal and web terminal. So once a client takes a trade, it will come to you through the main server, and from the main server you will pass on to liquidity provider through us. So liquidity provider is nothing but the big banks and financial institutions. So if you want to execute your trades in the Forex market, you can execute only through liquidity providers. Without liquidity providers, you can never execute your trades in the market. So liquidity providers are the big banks and financial institutions. So they have the power to control the global economy as well. And they are not like small banks or very small companies. They are very big institutions. And they have been in the industry for a long time, and they have been running this business for a very long period under the government approval. So some of the liquidity providers are like Saxo Bank, BNP Paribas, HSBC, etc. So in this business, you get 3 revenue streams. One is spread, swap and commission. So spread is nothing but the difference between bid and ask is called a spread. So you will get a spread from LP, and apart from that you can keep your markup how much ever you want. And next thing is swap. Swap is nothing but the overnight charges. So while taking connection with LP, you can get a swap free account or with swap account, and apart from that you can keep the markup of swap how much ever you want. And next thing is the commission. Commission is nothing but the lot size commission. So that you can mark up how much ever commissions you want. So these 3 are your main streams of revenue in this business. So now I will explain you how a trade gets executed. So once a client takes a trade, it will come to you and you will pass to the liquidity provider through us. Here the spread, swap and commission, whatever you keep is within you and your clients. There is no connection with the liquidity provider. So liquidity provider will never know that how much spread, how much swap and how much commission you have kept. So this is the dealing between you and the client. So you can keep the markup how much ever you want, and that all incomes will belong to you. You will never pass that income to liquidity providers. So this is how the trade gets executed. So why you need to choose LaunchFXM as a technology provider? So LaunchFXM is a global technology firm, and we have been running this business for a long time with our expert team, and we are very transparent and clear to our clients. And we will provide you all the services that are required to run your own forex brokerage setup. And also we have done almost like more than 40 projects including local and international, and we have also received the best liquidity provider and best technology partner as well. We have been present all over the world. So once you have decided to start your own forex brokerage and once you are ready to proceed further, so I will explain you what are the process that we follow. So initially, once you paid an initial payment, we will start the website work and incorporation work. So website work will be as per your requirement, like how you need a website, we will do the website. And incorporation is very important. So whichever country you need incorporation, we can do that. And without incorporation, you can never get a white label license. So MetaQuotes will not provide you white label license without the incorporation. So incorporation is very, very mandatory. So once the incorporation is done, once we get the incorporated documents, we will then open the bank account, which will be an offshore bank account, and simultaneously we will start the white label process. So this process will happen simultaneously, and once we get the terminal and the final bank account, we will implement that in the website and we will start the CRM work as well. So we will integrate the CRM and the website together, and we will, after that we will do the testing work and we will provide you the final project. So this is the process we follow. So for this entire process, it will take around 50 to 60 days approximate, and also the time duration depends upon your requirement. Now I will show you how a website and CRM looks like. So this is how a website looks like. So we can develop a website based upon your requirements. So whatever the features, what all the content you need, so all that we can do it. Based upon your requirement, we can develop a website like this. And this is the CRM. So CRM is nothing but the back office. So you can control all your business operations all in the backend operation. So you can see the total registered users, total deposit, withdrawal, everything can be seen. And also our CRM is very secure. You can also see who logged in last time through the IP. And also you can see the total transactions, everything can be seen. Total live accounts, total deposit, non-deposit users. So all these features is available in our CRM. And also our CRM has all the features that are required to run the forex business. So we have a very advanced CRM. So we have CRM in 3 categories. One is basic version, advanced version and pro version. So based upon your requirement, you can choose what kind of CRM you need. So now let's see what are the services that we offer. So we provide you legal license, which is very important. Licensing is very, very important to run this business, and we will consider all the factors as well as the government regulations while providing license. And based upon that, we suggest you. And next is offshore bank account to do your transactions. So next is forex website. So website is the brand image of your company. So we will provide you a very good forex website. And next is CRM for your back office. And next is MT5 gray label, white label setup. And next is liquidity provider, bridge connection. And all trading tools like copy trading, PAM, bonus, demo contest, stop out, stop risk, profit bonus, dynamic leverage. And apart from that, whatever tools you need, that also we can provide you. And payment gateway integration and all plugins and APIs and digital marketing services like SEO, SEM. So all these services we provide you in LaunchFXM. So now let's see what are the documents required to run this business. So first is owner passport copy and bank statement for last 3 months, and address proof like Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID or anything. If you are staying in any other country, that country proof is also required. And in case of partners, like if you are starting this business along with your partners, your partner's proof is also required. Next is registered company, like once you get the license, that registered company details and as well as the company shareholder details. So all this is required to start the forex setup. So now you would have got an idea about the entire setup. So in this business, you can operate in 2 ways. First is we call it as A-book. So A-book means all your clients' trades will be passed to LP. So this process is called as straight through processing. So all your clients' trade will be executed in the market. And another thing is called B-book. So B-book is all your clients' trades will not be executed in the market and it will not be transferred to LP. All your clients' trade will be under you. Only the clients will get the data feed through server. So this process is called as dealing desk. And you can operate in hybrid model as well. Hybrid means both A and B book. Both you can operate as together. So now let's take an example that you are starting a forex broker on ABC FX. So all your website, CRM and server name, everything will be under your own brand in case of white label. So you can tell us what kind of requirements you need on the each stage of the process, like how many accounts you need, how many groups like ECN Pro, and also if you have your own idea like I want to run this business in some other way, that also we can help you with. So in this business, all the back-end maintenance work we will take on behalf of you. You need to consider only the staff and the office expense. So rest all back-end maintenance work we will work on behalf of you. So thank you friends for watching this video. So now we have got an idea about how to run your own forex brokerage business, like what are the requirements, what are the procedure and what are the steps to follow. Everything now you would have got an idea. As I already said, you can pay initially 60% of the setup fee at first and we will start the project, and once we deliver the website you can pay the rest of the payment. And regarding the pricing, it actually depends upon based upon your requirement. So if you need more details about pricing and if you need a demo or if you have any other queries, please do reach out to our contact details. Our team will reach out to you and we will explain you everything in depth. So thank you for watching this video. We will see you on another video.